The compact crossover has a reputation for not being very reliable. Does it make sense to look for it on the secondary? The Juke is built on a common platform, Nissan V, with the micro-hatchback, the Renault Symbol sedan, second generation, and the Nissan Leaf electric car. English-made cars were brought to Russia. Restyling in 2014 came down to updating the exterior and redesigning the interior. The appearance of new units did not affect us, and in 2016, sales of the Juke in Russia turned off for more than a year. Engine. The 1.6 petrol engine, HR16DE, 117 horsepower, has no serious source. There are leaks through the seals of the pan, burnout of the exhaust pipe gasket. If you hear the whistle of the drive belt, do not delay the replacement. A dull knock from below on bumps may indicate wear on the motor mounts. There are no hydraulic lifters. Every 90,000 to 100,000 kilometers, valve adjustment is required. Supercharged motor 1.6 MR16 DDT, 190 horsepower, worked out worse. There have been recall campaigns to replace the intake manifold and fuel gauge gasket. Dynamic driving leads to rapid stretching of the timing chain. In the cold, the crankcase gas line freezes, which causes various leaks, plus small vagaries of direct injection. Transmission. The Jatco JF015E variator does not have the best reputation anyway, and in the Juke its shortcomings are aggravated by the installation of an intermediate block, which is a two-stage automatic. It simply lacks a margin of safety. With a 190 horsepower engine, another Jatco variator works, with the Index JF011E. Against the background of other CVTs, it is not bad, but also quite gentle, and problems begin with wear on the cone bearings from 50,000 kilometers. Another weak spot is the oil pump valve. Even minor repairs of road variators, and putting the worn-out one in order will cost 150 to 200,000 rubles. Manuals: 5-speed RS5F92R, 6-speed RS6F94R, get slurred shifting over the years, but generally reliable and durable. 4-wheel drive is implemented non-standard. The rear axle is connected by 2 independent clutches. Their shortcomings are typical: rapid overheating in stressful working conditions. Miscellaneous. The suspension requires capital investment at 100,000 kilometers, although the strut support bearings will have to be changed earlier. Repair is complicated by the fact that silent blocks and ball joints are pressed into the levers and subframe. Flimsy electrics. Different elements can fail, from the audio system to the steering column switches and the climate control unit. The use of heating systems requires caution. In frosts, exterior mirrors burst, as well as air dampers of the heater, from sudden changes in temperature. Regular diagnostics of the brake master cylinder are useful, as there are quite a few complaints about its sudden failures.